Alright everybody, so today we're at the San Joaquin General Hospital, and today we're getting us some snacks at the vending machine. There's a right over there, and that one's right over there, and that one's right over there. So we got that one, and I got that coffee one right over there. Alright, subscribe to the new Covello's YouTube channel. Be sure to follow and thank you for watching.
That's the I can't read that. Cell connection established.
Yeah, it looks like it's not